Hi guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can model a telecommunication mast on ProtaStructure 2018. It is the same way with any kind of ProtaStructure 2018, 2019, 2021, 2022. So it's just the same pattern. So I'll be showing you how you can model the steel beam, the steel column, the bracing, and then we'll be using a strip foundation for the beam, for the foundation beam, and then a column base, which is spat footing for the column. All right, so let's see how you can go about that. The first thing you can do is you come to new project, click on new project, then you, yes, let me save this. Okay, so you can give it a name, let's say mast 1. Okay, then you click on OK. Then it will ask you to pick a design template. I'll pick BS8110. Then you click on imports. Okay, so now we have the paper sheet. So now we shall begin. The first thing you can do is you come to the orthogonal axis generator, then just click anywhere on this. All right, so here the axis spacing, I'm going to be spacing it at okay, so let's say 150 in 11 places, comma 650 mm, comma 150 in 11 places. Okay, so we are going to repeat the same thing here. Let me clear this. There's a 150 in 11 places, comma 650, comma 150 in 11 places. All right, then you click on OK. All right, so we are going to have this. All right, so after that, come to this tab where you have the story menu, then you go to insert story. So let's insert 12 stories. Click on yes. Okay, then you go to edit story. Okay, for the first story you can just leave it as 1000, that is 1 meter. The second one as well, 1000. Then the next one, 1000. Next, 1000. Make sure you fill every level as 1000, every story. Okay, and then the last story, 1000. All right, okay, that's all. The foundation you can leave it as 11 as it is, so just click on OK. Okay, automatically it will put you in the last story, which is story 12. You can see it there, story 12. So let's begin with story 12. That's not bad. Okay, so you go to your column. This is still column. Then I'm going to pick a section. I'm going to pick a universal column, which is UC, universal column. I'm going to pick this one of 152 by 152. Okay, then you click on select and then OK. So I'm placing the column here, and then the bottom of the column should flush here. All right, then click on update. I'm placing another one here, then you click the bottom here. You can see the bottom, then the bottom is here, then click on update. Okay, so here 1, then the bottom should flush with 2, then click on update. Okay, 1, the bottom 2, then update. Okay, so you go to the next story, the story 11. Okay, so you pick your column again. You can verify here. You see that it is the same section, 152 by 152. Right, so that one is going to be here, which is 2. You can count 1, 2. So the bottom will flush with 3, then update. Okay, so here 1, 2, drop it here 2, and allow the bottom to flush with 3, update. Then here you can see 1, 2, drop here 2, then allow the bottom to flush with 3, update. Okay, so here 1 2, and then allow the bottom to flush with 3, something like this. Okay, so you go to the next one, pick your column. So this is 1 2 3. All right, 3. Then the bottom will flush with the fourth, that is the fourth grid line. Okay, so here 1 2 3. Okay, pick the bottom should flush with the next one, which will be fourth. All right, okay, so come here to, we have 1 2 3, so drop it on 3, and then the bottom should flush with 4. Update. Okay, so we have 1 2 3, so 3, and then the bottom 4. Update. So close, move to the next one, pick your column. This is still column, so you can count again: 1 2 3 4. Okay, so that's 4. Then the bottom should flush with 5, then update. Okay, so here 1 2 3 4, you drop it at 4, then pick here to pick the bottom should flush with 5. Okay, then 1 2 3 4, bottom 5. Update. 1 2 3 4, bottom 5. Okay, so let's see the 3D. You can see how it is varying down. You can see, so this is how it will look like in 3D. Okay, so let's go back to the plan. Okay, so go to the next level. Okay, so you pick your column. So this is 1 2 3 4 5, and the bottom will flush with the 6th. Update. All right, then 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, then the bottom will flush with this, which is 6, then update. Okay, so what about here? 1 2 3 4 5, then the bottom 6. Update. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, pick the bottom 6. Update. You move to the next one, then you come here, and then you pick your column. Then you have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, and then pick the bottom to flush to 12. Then you update. All right, so you can just drop it here, right, and then the bottom should flush with here. Okay, and that's, this one shouldn't take us much counting. Just drop it here, and then this should flush here. Update. Then you drop here, and then allow to flush here, then update. Right, so you close. Let's see how it looks like in 3D. Okay, So this is how it looks like in 3D. All right. Okay, so for the last floor, let's go back to the plan. For the last floor, which will be story 1, we will have a column, but that will be a concrete column. That will not be a steel column right now. So this will be for the column. This will be concrete. Okay. 230 by 230. Okay. So that's good. Then you place one here as the last edge. Okay. Then another one here. Then another one here. Then another one here. Okay. So that's all for the column. Let's see in 3D. Okay. So this is what we have for the column. You can see now we've modeled the diagonal steel, and we've modeled the column. So let's see how it sits on it. You can see, yeah, this is how the steel sits on the column pedestal. That's the stud of the steel. That's the stud.